Welcome to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today the topic is measurement of vernier calipers and screw gauge for ICSC class 9 physics. Class 9 physics chapter first. We know that we can only measurement of the long distance. To find out the smaller measurement, to find out the smaller measurement, we need some device known as vernier calipers and the screw gauge. There are two devices to find out the smaller measurement less than 1 millimeter. So the smallest value can be determined by the vernier calipers and screw gauge, and the larger value can be determined by simple meter, hectometer, kilometer and so on. So first half we start the vernier calipers and the second topic is the screw gauge. The first topic, vernier calipers. Vernier calipers is a device to measure the value of smaller length, and the device is very simple. To first of all, to know about the vernier calipers, you should know about the structure of vernier calipers. This is the vernier calipers and this is the fixed jaw. You cannot move it, and this is the movable jaw. You can move it by up and down, and this is the inside jaw, and this is the outside jaw, in which this jaw is fixed and this is movable. This is the main scale. There is a reading has been given in main scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and this is the vernier scale. Vernier scale also has reading. Vernier scale, there is a reading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The main scale, vernier scale, and the jaw, and this is also jaw. This is inside jaw, this is outside jaw, this is fixed jaw, and this is movable jaw. Now, how can you calculate the measurement of any material? So first of all, to calculate, we should find out the least count. What is the least count? Least count is the smallest value that can be measured by device accurately. The least count is the smallest value. You know that, and in your meter inch tape, the smallest value 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. This is the 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and you can measure the smallest value only 1 mm, because it has only division 1 to 2 in 1 centimeter gap. There are 10 division, and you can only measure the accurately only 1 mm. And so the least count of the meter scale, which is used by generally in tailor shop, is 1 mm. The least count of watch, if it given the only hour and minute, then it is 1 minute. Because you can only the measure only the 1 minute value, and if there is a second handle, hour handle and minute handle and second handle, if there is second handle, then the least count is not 1 minute, the least count is 1 second. So because you can easily and correctly calculate the value of 1 second. In case of vernier calipers, the least count can be calculated by the simple formula, the value of value of main scale division, one main scale division upon number of division in vernier. It means the value of one main division, the value of one division in main scale, this is the main scale, and the value of it is calibrated in mm. After 10 mm, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter this, and the value is divided, the centimeter is divided, the centimeter value is divided into 10 parts, and the one part is equal to 1 mm, 1 mm. So the main scale value, the division of one value of main scale is 1 mm upon number of division in vernier. This is the vernier, and there is 10 division, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10 divide. So the 0.1 mm is the least count which you can measure the correctly value of 0.1 mm, or 0.1 upon 10 centimeter is equal to 0.01 centimeter. You can measure the correctly value is equal to 0.01 centimeter, up to 0.01 centimeter, because one value of main mm and this one value of mm is divided into 10 value of vernier. So you can easily calculate the one value of mm by divide by 10 value of vernier, and if there was 100 value, then you can at least the 1 upon 100 time accuracy can be calculated. If there was 1000 division in vernier, then you can calculate 1 upon 1000 time smallest value. If there is 10,000 division in vernier, then you can calculate 1 upon 10,000 value. So least count should be calculated first. So the least count has been calculated. You should first find out the least count to get the measurement, and you know that the value of one division in main is equal to number of division in vernier, and the reading of vernier is equal to vernier calipers is equal to coincide into least count plus main scale reading. It means you should multiply the least count to the value of coincide plus main scale reading. If you measure the value of any coin, then you should first find out the value of main scale. The value of main scale is 1.2 centimeter, and the least count you have calculated of this device is 0.01, because the least count has been calculated, and the coincide value, it means the which value of vernier is just in front of the main value. First is in front, no. Second is in front, no. Third is in front. The third value of vernier is just matching to the main scale. So the 0.03 plus 1.2, and the true reading is 1.23 is the reading. And you can calculate it very easily. Let us find out the reading of this vernier. The rod is fixed, and the reading can be observed by coincide value into least count plus main scale reading. The least count you have know that the vernier caliper is 0.01, and the main scale reading in the figure, the main scale is 1, after 1 completing 1.1 and 1.2 and 1.3, no, 1.3 no, between 1.2 and 1.3 should take the value 1.2 centimeter. The main scale reading is 1.2 centimeter, and the coincide value in the image, the which value of vernier is just in front of the main scale. It is the first in front, no, not just in front. 2, not just in front. 3, not. 4, not. The 5 value of vernier is just matching to the vernier main scale value. So the value is 5. The value is 5. The value is 0.05 plus 1.2 is equal to 1.25 is the correct reading. Sometimes it has error. If the device is old. If you fix the all jaw to the value of vernier 0 should be in front of the value of 0 of main scale. If there is no, then it has 0 error. It has the 0 error. 0 error 2 type, positive and negative. What is positive? If you complete these jaw and the vernier scale 0 is just right side to the main scale, then just right side, vernier scale 0 is just right side to the main scale, then it is positive. In there, after joining the jaw, the vernier scale 0 is not in front of the main scale 0, so it is the positive 0 error. While negative 0 error, if this 0 is left side of the main scale, and this is known as negative 0 error. This is negative 0 error because the 0 of vernier, this is the vernier scale, the 0 of vernier is left side to the main scale, and so you should first find out the 0 error. Calculated 0 error can be calculated the coincide value and into least count. If the third value or fourth value of vernier is in front of the main value, then it is third value or fourth value or fifth value of vernier is in front of the main scale value, and the least count is 0.01, then the 0 error is 0.03, and the observed value and true value of reading is equal to observed value minus error with sign. If the observed value is 4.5 minus, and this is the positive 0 error, so plus 0.03 and thus 0.03 and subtract, this is the value. And if there was minus 0 error, then 4.5 minus 0.03 is equal to 4.5 plus 0.03 is the value. The screw gauge is another device which you can measure up to 0.0001 centimeter. You can measure the value. It is the smaller value can be calculated than vernier caliper. The structure of screw gauge is this, and this is the screw gauge, and this is known as stud. And this is screw, and this is the spindle. And it has the main scale. Where is the main scale? This is the main scale. Yes, this is the main scale. And this is the circular scale. It is the circular scale. And if you move up and down, then it move in the main scale. Circular scale move up and down on main scale. So first of all, you should find out the least count of the device. The least count of the device is value of one division in main scale, and divide by the number of division in vernier, in circular. The value of one division in main, this is calibrated in mm. So 1 mm, value of one division in main is 1 mm. It is calibrated in mm, and there is scale total 1, 2, 30, 50. There is 50 or 100. Then the value is 0.01 mm can be calculated. It means the value of 1 in main is divided into 100 parts, so you can measure accurately the 1 upon 100 time accurately. If value are divided 10, there is 10 circular division, then only you can find out the 1 upon 10th part of the value. And if there is 100, then you can find out the 1 upon 100 part. More smaller value can be measurement accurately. If there was 1000 division in circular, then one value can be divided into 1000 times, and more less value can be observed, can be measured accurately. So first of all, the least count of this screw gauge is 0.01. How can you measure? The measurement is equal to least count into quan side plus main scale reading. Least count plus main scale reading. If there you should find out to the least count is known, and quan side and MSR should be find out. If there is if this is the reading of screw gauge, the main scale reading is 0, 1 and 2. It means between 2 to 3, 0, 1 and 2. So the main scale reading is 2. So the main scale reading is 2 mm. And quan side reading, the which value are circular is just in front of the main scale. The 50, no. 55, no. The 56 value is just in front of the main scale value. So the 56 is quan side. 56, because 55 is just lower than main scale and 57 is upper than main scale. So the 56 value is quan side. So the 56 value and the least count is given. The 0.001. So the multiply 0.561 plus 2 is equal to 2.561 mm is the correct reading. Perhaps you have understand all the topic of vernier calipers and screw gauge. If you have doubt any, please comment. And the question of this chapter, measurement of ICSE class 9 physics, has been given in order of 2021-22 edition in our website icschelp.com. You can find out all the solution of numericals given in your exercise textbook, whether it is concise Selena, simplified, Dalal and Goel brother chemistry. All the numerical including examples, including exercise has been given. Thank you.